Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Chatgpt Sidebar. Right, to install it, you have to just go to Chrome Web Store here. So just write it Web Store Chrome. You will be redirected here. Click on this first link. On the search bar, you have to just write Chatgpt. And here you will find all this option here. So just write here Chatgpt Sidebar. Right now you will get a lot of another option here, and you have to just go and install one of the option. But one more thing guys, make sure you just write chat gpt in capital, then you will get this option. If you don't write it exactly like this, you will not get this option. And here you can just go and click on ChatGPT sidebar and GPT-4 vision with AI tools. Now here just go and click on add to whichever browser you're using. Automatically it will show up here. Click on add extension. Now here it will just take a few seconds to get download, and here auto do you don't need to click anything, automatically it will get installed and we are here. So we'll just go on this plugin icon and make sure we just pin this ChatGPT bar here. Now we have to use I will just use my Google account, or you can just go and click on sign up, enter your password and everything. Let's say I will just go with my Google account here. I'll choose my Google account, and in just few seconds I will log in into my ChatGPT. Right now, as you can see here, ChatGPT sidebar has turned on. So if I just click on this, right, automatically it will show up here. I can just write anything, whatever I want. I can just get a suggestion. For example, you can see here it's working properly fine, right? Exactly just like how ChatGPT work. And you can also extend this if you want this, right? So it's really easy, and you have to so many options. For example, a search, right, write images, right? So for example, I will click on here, create a cat in rainbow, and just hit the bar, and automatically it will start doing up, right? So of course, if you don't have, uh, okay, so it's working. And I will just extend this a little bit up here. Now it's working properly fine. And this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.